Today we're going to go over the device titration form for the Prosomnus PH. That is the clear appliance with the bars on the side. You're going to put your name, and remember, titration means moving that lower jaw forward. You're going to put your name. You're going to put the date that you make any changes to your appliance, that you turn the key at all. This is where I want you to put the date that you made that adjustment, how many turns you went, did you use rubber bands or no, and this column is very important, how you felt the next morning. You can turn your appliance 2 turns every 3 to 5 days. You can go slower than that, just don't go any faster than that. This again is the appliance. It takes 5 turns to go a millimeter, so very fine thread. So you're really only going just under half a millimeter when you turn it 2 times. These are the symptoms you want to start looking for to get better over time. I want you to start dreaming more. No more than 1 to 2 awakenings per night. Snoring is gone or almost gone. You wake up feeling like you slept. No more deep sleep. More energy throughout the day. No need for naps. What you'll notice in this column is a lot of people, as they go through their adjustments, they'll start getting better, and then they'll level off. There won't be any more improvement. You need to know where to go back to where you first leveled off, because we don't want to go any further than we absolutely have to. Some other people might notice that they start to get better, and then all of a sudden they start to get worse. Again, you need to know where to go back to. Once you find that perfect position for you, we will schedule you for a sleep test, and we will make sure that it's actually correcting your sleep apnea. If you have any questions, please let us know. Good luck.